this liquid tape. It really doesn't have any instructions on it. Let's see. No, it just has all these huge warnings. The whole label is warnings and warnings, so it's got to be some really nasty stuff. And when I open it up, it reminds me of the PVC glue. So I wanted to test it out here. I just wire wrapped the wires here. I didn't solder them or anything, but it's like it glued it on here solid. I'm going to hook this thing up and test the connectivity, because it doesn't say anything on either of the packages that it came in or this about its resistivity. No, it doesn't say it anywhere. Maybe there's something that I should know. It just says black. I don't know. I mean, because all the electrical tape always says the resistance on it. I said it says it. The electrical resistance on it. 1 MB. What does that say? Anyway, this may be my new little love here. I don't know. This is a rotor. A stator. I decided to do them a little bit different. Decided to do them split so it'd be easier. But that's another story. This is about the liquid tape here, and that stuff is on there. I'm going to go test it out. I got this liquid tape here, and these wires are not, they're just wrapped together. They're not soldered or anything, and I just painted that liquid tape on there, and it's like glued on there solid. I tried pulling this off a while ago and it wouldn't come off. Let me get this wire. I use this really tiny gauge wire here. Anyway, you can see. Can you see the light come on? Okay, this way no light, this way light, this way light, this way no light. So when it passes, when the rotor passes by, it'll turn off and on. So that's really cool. I wanted to check out this liquid tape today. I think it's going to be one of my new best friends. I really am impressed with it. It's some pretty nasty stuff like the PVC glue. I think that's what it is, but it apparently has a high resistivity or low conductivity. I don't know what you say. Maybe it has a high insulating properties. I would like to find out what it is. The label didn't say anything about it. It just had warnings all over it, so it's some pretty nasty stuff. But that is pretty cool. I'm going to have to rethink my little holes. The transistor didn't fit in there. The LEDs fit in there really good, but that wasn't the plan. That's for a different project thinking there. But I need to put the transistors in. Probably end up putting them in the center of the I had to redo all these. It's been so long since I've messed with this stuff, I forgot you have to have the transistor flat. It has to be a face for it to work. The magnet has to go across the face of it. It can't go across the tip. One side is like a positive bias, the other side is negative, and so it has to be one side or the other. It can't be an end. And I'm going to put these in here like this, and I'm not sure how I'm going to mount them in there. I may just take black tape and wind them up and shove it in there just for testing purposes. Anyway, this was about the liquid tape, which is just amazing. That stuff is cool.